Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing my hair in this video. I don't need any other introduction. Here are the tools that I've used to achieve this look. So tag along and let's see how it goes. So I've just finished the back because I don't want to make this video too long for you. I just wanted to make it short. So here's the back finished and done, and now I'm just going to do the front. So the way I start my hair is that I start with the parting and then I fold them into small twists just like so, and then I continue to do that to get where I want, so that my hair can be a bit manageable. So that's what I did, and I've just done that part. Just wanted to show you how easy it is, and then we'll just jump quickly to the bigger part, as you know, and I've already mentioned I don't want to make this video too long. So I part my hair and then I'll twist it into the little twist that I make. As you can see, my parting are not the best parting in the world. Is the process of learning to do your own hair. So I just twist that. So right now I'm just gonna start doing the part, and the way I do my parts or my braids that I take a bunch of extensions, make them separate like that, and then I start doing my braids. Doing the braids is really how you like it or you do it, but it's very self-explanatory and I don't want to go through the gritty details. But as you can see, mine, I did them like the start of the cornrow because that's easy for me to manage and to do. So we go through it like that, and then it just helps me to make sure that they are tight, and then that's how I do my braids. So let me know down below how you do your braids if you get to this part. And so that's how I do my braids, and I'll just do the other one for you guys so that you can just see what I am doing. I'm done. It looks absolutely lovely. It's not wet. It's not a lot of hair. I'm actually extremely proud of myself. So now I'm just gonna take the hair and put it into these colors, and then put it in the water, and so the water does the magic. This is how my curls look like, and this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel because I have more hair videos coming through. I'll see you in my next video.